Is this a good time to buy Bitcoin? This is a question that I get all the time, especially from the people that are not involved in Bitcoin. And independently of what you will be investing in, you should be investing in something you believe for fundamental reasons. And when the price goes down, you should be happy to buy it cheaper. And what happens with a lot of people is they try to trade. They want to buy low and sell high. And what ends up happening is by the time they notice that the price is going up, they buy near a peak and they get a huge loss once that thing crashes. So even if you invested in Google or Amazon or Netflix or Apple, which are some of the best gaining investments you could have done in the last couple of decades, if you were trying to trade, you would have done terribly. And the best time to buy was when nobody was buying. If you bought Amazon after it had a 90% drop, that's the best time to have ever bought, or any of these other stocks as well. And what happens is they have these huge drops, then they go to make like 10x, and then they have huge drops again and does it over and over again. Bitcoin has very fundamental reasons for why people would want it, right? Uncensorable, unconfiscatable, non-inflationary money has a lot of uses. But if you just look at the charts, when you first saw it, it went from $15 and dropped all the way to a few cents. Then it went to $130, dropped to $20. It went to $1,200, dropped back to $300. Went to $20,000, dropped to $3,000. Recently it went to almost $70,000 and now it's trading at $16,000, might drop to 10, who knows. But this is the time that nobody's interested in it, and this is the time that nobody wants to invest. This is where the people that have learned from previous drops are getting in and accumulating as much as they can for the next time it takes off again. And what happens with the people that got burnt are usually these people that bought at the top, then it crashed and then they sold it, right? And these are the people that will become very strong holders of the asset the next time it blows up, because when it blows up the next time is, you know, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I sold it, you know, I bought it at 60, sold it at 30, and now it's worth 300, I should have kept it. And so the next time they buy it, but obviously with not the same level of opportunity they could have had if they just held on to it. So if you believe in it, if you think that it's going to keep growing in demand, if BlackRock got into it and they have, you know, $10 trillion in assets, if they allocate 1%, Fidelity with 40 million clients, they're just getting into it. Russia's saying they're going to trade with it, and numerous other things that are happening with it. If you believe in it, this is a fantastic time to start buying, even if it drops a little lower.